Hello guys, welcome back. Today I've got a really cool new device that I've built in the 13W01B Snapshot, and basically it is a capacitor using Redstone Capacitor. A capacitor is basically a device that's able to store charge and then release it when you want it to, and it will release it over time. So like this one's a quick one, so it will discharge slowly. Quickly, and then on this one is a slightly slower discharge, and then over here an even slower discharge, and then you can make these as big as you want. There's no limit really, and this one actually lasts about 20 seconds in total to discharge fully. So basically how these work is the signal comes in over here, and the comparator remembers the input and then outputs a signal of the same length. So this happens all the way around, and it continues round until it gets over here. And then there's two pieces of redstone dust, which means the current is the signal strength is reduced by 1, so making it 14. And then it goes round and round until it gets all the way down to 0, and that's obviously when the lights stop. So over here I've added another little function, which is which allows you to pick where the signal strength is on the other side, and then it still discharges as normal. And this also comes with other features. So for example, if I picked it up here and set it to a 13 strength, but then I wanted it to stop at 5, I just push that one down, and now when I release this one, it will now discharge like it normally would, but it will stop at 5, and then you can just discharge it as normal, go back up, and it works like that all the time perfectly. Okay guys, I just thought I'd show you that although this works with a button, it doesn't actually save it like a capacitor would. It just sends it out there and then it decays from there. So I thought I'd just show you this little way of making it so it can save it. So right now what happens is it just, with this one, it's on a button, so it just goes in there and then it discharges. But if you just put in a redstone comparator, if we just chuck one of these in, going around in the circle, so there's now no way it loses charge. If you now press the button, it will go to whatever one you pressed on, and now if you step on a closer one, it will still add that on top of it. And just to reset this, all you want to do is put a piston here, a block there, make it so it's by default on, and then have your button, and then that resets it, and then now you can do that again and it saves. And so this is just a really easy way of saving signal strength. So although once it doesn't decay like the other one, it does save it, which is a really important thing. So uses of this are, for example, just like this. This is just a tunnel that I've built really quickly, and it lights up the whole corridor, and then you can have them slowly turn off as slowly as you want, depending on how you make the circuit. So if you can't already tell, this is how you build it. You just set up some comparators like this. You put 2 like that, or as many as you want, and make a circle. And then basically you just want to make sure they join up at the end. And then you can fill in the gaps with redstone or a block. It doesn't make a difference. But then over here, you need to put in 2 where at any point you need to put in 2, because that's where it will lose 1 signal. And then because it's going this way, we want to put the input nearest to that one, so it starts off with a charge of 15. And now as it releases, you can see there, this is just a short one, so it releases very quickly. So thank you guys for watching. I thought I'd just share this video with you, just to show you that you can make a capacitor, because I know Dinnerbone was talking of making a capacitor block. So I thought I'd just show a little method of actually making a capacitor without that, with the new redstone comparator feature, which I think are absolutely brilliant. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave a like, comment or subscribe.